Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to speed this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to open the pre-installed application, which is called iManager. Tap agree, yes. So as you can see, it immediately scans my device for things which could be optimized, which could be turned better. All you can do is just all you need to do is to just tap optimize button, and after that your device will be automatically optimize all the features like security, clean your device from unnecessary files, and overall speed this up. You can also perform a space cleanup, which will delete different unwanted and useless files in order to slightly speed your device up. So you just tap clean up all. You can also perform a security scan. And yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.